Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. We are back with our American Girl Chic Country Kitchen series. Today we craft a stylish farmhouse hutch perfect for storing and displaying doll dishes and food items. Our hutch is made from foam board, but you can easily substitute this material with cardboard. And if pink's not your thing, you can customize the color to something your dolls will love. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! This project we used a hutch made before the channel started. First, separate the hutch from the lower cabinet. To match the chic country kitchen from our previous video, we removed the drawer, doors and inner shelves, leaving us with a basic cupboard 25 cm long, 20 cm high and 13 cm wide. Flip the cabinet over and reposition the remaining shelf to sit 3 cm from the floor. From 5mm foam board, cut a middle shelf and adhere this piece inside the cabinet. Now, cut a thick piece of 10mm foam board to glue under the middle shelf for extra support. Next, cut a front wall for the cabinet. On this piece, measure and draw a horizontal line 2 cm from the bottom. Make tick marks at 3 cm from each side edge. Find the center point and mark this spot in pencil. Using the curve of a dinner plate, connect the outside tick mark to the center spot to make an arch. Cut this section away. Next, measure and mark 2 cm from the top edge and 2 cm in from the left and right sides. Measure up 3 cm from the bottom. Cut out this rectangle for the cabinet doors. Trim a slither off each side, then cut the foam board in half for 2 door pieces. To match the kitchen design, we made door trim from paperboard. Cut a rectangle the same size as the door, mark a 1 cm border on all sides, then use a pen cap or other circular lid to trace the corner curves. Draw another 5mm border inside these lines, then cut away this part. To attach our doors, we used paperboard hinges. Glue one tab to the exposed foam core of the door and the other tab to the front frame. Now adhere the front wall to your cabinet. For added features, cut 2 3x13 strips of foam board and affix to the bottom left and right sides. Cut a skinny strip to sit on the front just above the decorative arch. It's time to paint the cabinet. We chose to spray paint the outside blush pink. Make door handles from skinny sticks and clear beads. Click the card top right to see the process in more detail. We reused the original cabinet top piece, only this time cut a 10 by ½ cm strip from each side and a ½ cm off the back edge. Cover your counter with marble contact paper. Glue on top of the cabinet, ensuring it is flush with the front edge. Switching to the hutch. It stands 30 cm high by 25 cm wide with sides 10 cm deep. We removed the previous trim and shelves. To mimic wood paneling, cut paperboard strips and glue them to the inside of the back wall. We also added 1 cm strips of foam board to the left and right sides, then repositioned the top trim. Paint the hutch to match the cabinet. Here we measured 10 cm from the top of the hutch to position the first shelf. Measure up 3 cm from this line and forward 1.5 cm to mark the position of the plate rail. Repeat on the other side. Pre-pierce a hole with a thumbtack, then feed through a barbecue skewer, securing it in place with hot glue. Adhere the first shelf. We are reusing the ones from the original hutch, then measure 10 cm below this shelf to adhere the second. Glue the hutch to the cabinet, slotting it into the grooves we made earlier. Your country-style hutch is ready to store and display your doll's favourite dishes and foods. Check back soon to see how we make a vintage cooktop stove for our Chic Country Kitchen series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!